Hello, I'm Christian Bernal Cordova, a PhD candidate in animal biology at UC Davis. Today, I would like to share with you my experience in the 2024 Summer Work Experience Program, where I had the chance to collaborate with producers and farm workers in California dairy farms. I created this video to bring you along on this experience, and I hope you enjoy as much as I did.
One of the most rewarding aspects of this summer was visiting different dairy farms and interacting with farm workers, most of whom share my Latin heritage. On those farms, I conducted surveys to gather information about how they manage calves, and I was truly impressed by the practical expertise and knowledge these workers have. Each visit and each conversation became a great and enjoyable learning experience for me. I was also surprised by how easily I could build relationships with the farm workers. They were open, friendly, and eager to share ideas. For example, when I needed to check the health of the calves, the workers were incredibly helpful. They pointed out animals I needed, helped hold them in place, and even assisted with writing down the data. I also collected samples for lab analysis and then returned later to share the results. The workers were interested in learning, asking questions to understand better, and quickly applying the new information. This summer experience challenged the common belief that academic knowledge is the highest form of understanding. While academic knowledge is important, I learned that the practical, hands-on experience of these workers is just as valuable. This summer taught me that if we want to make real changes in farming, we need to respect and include the important role of the farm workers in the industry. This experience also showed me how important it is to speak Spanish and communicate clearly. Over the summer, I saw how these skills help me connect with workers and share ideas easily. Recently, I read a quote by Nelson Mandela about how important it is to speak someone's native language in order to really connect with them. And I found that to be true during the summer. When I spoke in Spanish, the workers were more excited and comfortable, but when I switched to English, they became much quieter. To conclude, I have to say that this has been a remarkable and enjoyable experience in my life. I left the program with new perspectives and a great appreciation for the farm workers' knowledge. Finally, I want to thank Dr. Noelia Silva del Rio, who is my main mentor, and Dr. Daniela Bruno, who supported me throughout the program. I'm also grateful to Greg and Travis Hooker, the farm owners who welcomed me, listened to my project, and engaged with my findings. Last but not least, I want to express my gratitude to Luis, Cesar, Jesus, Andres, Jose Luis, and all the other workers who shared the knowledge with me. Thank you.